All right, so we're going to hook up the power and the low voltage signaling wire to the condenser now. The system comes with a 3/4 inch knockout. Our whip is 1/2 inch, so we have to install the reducing washers. One under. One over. Wires run up to the contactor, connect to the bottom of the contactor. Connect the ground. All right, our power is connected. Now we got to get our contactor signaling wire here connected. Low voltage connection should be made inside this box. It is separated from the 240 volts. So we got to run our 2 connections in here.